To delete all your Facebook comments, open the Facebook app, go to your profile, tap this three dot next to edit profile, and tap on activity log. Tap on your Facebook activity, tap on manage comments and reactions, tap on filters, select categories, and select comments. And here you will find all your posted comments on your Facebook. Now to delete all comments, tap select, and this will select all your comments at once. You can scroll down to load more comments first of all. So just scroll down all the way to the bottom of this comment list. After that, scroll up and select all to select your all comments. Then just click on remove, tap on remove, and all of your Facebook comments will delete at once. Thanks for watching.